I am using this mold for making a candle holder which will float on water. I am using 1:1 resin mix for this project. I have already stirred my resin for 5 minutes and it's properly mixed. So now I will split the volume into 3 containers for different colors that I'll be using. The first color I'm going to use is a shade of pink. I'm stirring carefully as the resin is too close to the brim and it might spill. The second color I'm going to use in this candle holder is a shade of blue, and I think this will work very nicely with the pink I'm using. I will add the foil to the resin in the large mixing container because in the small container it will be harder to stir properly without spilling. I have chosen the glitter colors to match the blue and pink I'm already using to create a little bit of interest in the resin along with the silver foil. I hope they will sink to the petal tips as the resin cures because even as I'm mixing it in this resin, it is already sinking to the bottom of this container. I'm just giving this mold a little tap to motivate any trapped bubbles to find their way out.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2,
My mold is set. I tried to demold this after 24 hours, but it seemed a little soft to the touch, so I just backed off. I let it stay for another day, and now I think I'm ready. So let's get started. Sort of very excited about this as to how it will look. I plan to use it as a candle holder for upcoming Diwali festival. Wow, how is this possible to demold without destroying the mold? Is it possible? We'll find out in a bit.
today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Okay, so it is off. And here it is. Oh, nice. It's nice and festive.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
I'm planning to use this as a floating candle holder on water, so it needs to be light and it needs to be a little shimmery, and how it looks will actually come forward once the lamp is in, and I'm expecting a little bit of this glitter to reflect the flame, but it is big enough not to get burnt, so I can't wait to put this in use. This has come out very nice, and the colors, when I poured it from both sides, they have held their own, and there's not too much cross contamination, just enough, and they are expressing themselves very well. Very happy with this mold. The translucency is also there. This will look amazing with a candle. Most of the glitter has sunk to the tips of the petals, and so has the foil. That is absolutely awesome, because that is the part which will be most visible once the candle is lit. Candle is lit and the petals are throwing a pink and blue colored light in a ring around it. It is looking great. My candle holder floats easy and it is looking awesome. Bobbing up and down and throwing shadows. Very nice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to work on projects of your own. Subscribe for more resin videos and have a wonderful day.